Okay, what you can do when the water table's too high, we came and we did this catch basin tap. We tapped this, well, we tapped this months ago, to be honest with you. We just been busy and backlogged, and now we got 3 crews out and we're catching up. But this was just a swamp, and the dogs were running up and down here, and it was just nothing but mud. They couldn't, there's dogs in the yard over there, so of course, dogs run up and down the fence barking at each other, playing. Well, with this tap here, this dried this up. So people are always like, what do you do when you dig and the water table's too high? You start at the discharge end and you work your way into the job. That's the best way. So because we have high traffic here with the dogs, we're going to, back here, this is going to be an open French drain. And we're going to use that 1 3/4 cobble that's really light on the dog's feet. So we have 2 rolls of High Octane. We're going to be running a double barrel system here. We want big reservoirs. There's big water here when it rains. We want to take care of it. We got the solid for the downspouts. This is solid, the Baughman Gold. Yellow on the inside, yellow on the outside. We're going to run this downspout in the French drain trench, and we're going to get this all the way to the back. We want to get the water as far away from the house as we can, so we're going to probably run about a 60-foot run. That downspout's responsible for a lot of water. This basement wall has been damp and wet. This is really flat in here, and their neighbor's elevated higher than them. This is a normal, this here is a normal occurrence. We see it a lot where there's water problems. Neighbor builds up higher than you, or the neighbor was just higher than you. We're going to take care of all that water, this perimeter drain, anything that comes in. And now, even though this was super flat, we went ahead and sloped our trench. Now we got slope. It was super flat in here and you couldn't get the water out. But with that trench sloped, we're going to get the water out. It's going to rip. So remember, if the water table's too high to put in your French drain system, you go straight to the area of discharge. Even if that's a backyard sump pump, and you do the tap, and you work your way out. Let the water fill the sump pump pit and pump it out. Start on the discharge line. That's what you want. Have a discharge line and a pump in, pumping down that water for you. But I get asked that a lot. What do you do when you have too high of a water table? The guys open it up and they get that water out. All right, guys, until the next video.